So in today's video, we are working on the Monte Carlo. This mother sucker right here is giving me a hell of a day today. I've cleaned off all the spark plugs. I've checked the fuel pressure and everything. It's getting fuel, it's even getting fuel up at the rail. Squirting out over here. You know, you got the Schrader valve, so fuel is reaching up here. At this here point, you know, I got it connected to the Chrysler 2, so I got good battery power until I actually replace the power. This thing just won't crank over. So, I guess my next step is to see if it's going to fire off with some starter fluid, spray some starter fluid down into the air intake. I thought I had some, but I do not, so I'm going to have to go get some. So I'm going to lift this here up. Spray some starter fluid down there, let it get sucked into. If it starts, then I know I have no issue with fuel and combustion. It's something with the fuel being supplied to the vehicle or whatever. But nonetheless, my grandmother had this car diagnosed before she died, and they said all it needed was spark plugs. And you know, I went through all 6 spark plugs and cleaned them all out, got them unfiled, and you know, if that was going to be the case, it should have started right up. But for some odd reason, my old Monte Carlo just don't want to start. And I'm trying to give her a new life, give her a new paint job, give her a new lease, and give her a new home. But she act like she don't want to leave me, y'all. So what y'all thoughts? Hey, we're going to get this puppy running. We're going to get Mom's Monte Carlo running also, and get both of these cars back to someone else's homes or whatever. Get them a new home, or I don't know. We might even have a giveaway. We will see, but that's what we're working on right now. She's been sitting here way too long. I remember when I gave this car to my grandmother, it had the chrome rims and everything. They're like, you're not going to give her that car with them rims on it? Yep. I took the rims off. She didn't want the rims, but nonetheless, I miss this car. Had some good days with this here Monte Carlo, so we're going to do what we got to do to get her on back together. This ain't a hashtag short, but I'm getting short fused and short tempered with this motherfucker right here. So y'all take it easy. Y'all have a good day. We'll get back with you guys in a day or so and let you know what's going on with it. Shh, I know you wish I was working on her.